Every day I just continue to think of her and try to keep her memory alive.
Baby Sophia was just 2 months old when she was shaken to death by her father. Today, a judge handed down his sentence as the little girl's mother looked on in tears.
Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Ashley Hardway with both parents' reactions tonight.
Judge Hathaway did not mince words while sentencing Matthew Milositz, the man who pled guilty to killing his 2-month-old daughter. In fact, she told him if she could have imposed a longer sentence, she would have.
Baby Sophia was 2 months old in November 2012 when her father, Matthew Milositz, shook her so badly she died just a few days later. He previously pled guilty to third-degree murder and today was sentenced to serve 20 to 40 years in prison.
I am extremely grateful. My prayers have been answered. I'm very glad that Sophia got the justice that she deserves.
I was a little surprised that it was 20 to 40 years considering he accepted responsibility. This was out of his characteristic.
5 character witnesses testified prior to Milositz's sentencing about what a loving, compassionate, church-going man Milositz is.
He was so remorseful, clearly by his reverend, by a former state trooper, all talking about him. This was uncharacteristic of him.
In his own statement, Milositz told the court how often he prays and turns to Jesus for help and forgiveness. When we spoke with him afterwards, he spoke otherwise.
Is there anything you'd like to say about the sentence he received?
Yeah, get that camera out my face.
Why?
I don't like you guys.
Why don't you like us?
As for Sophia's mother, she is planning on putting together a charity walk to raise awareness about shaken baby syndrome.
Every day I just continue to think of her and try to keep her memory alive.
As for Milositz, his defense attorney says he is looking into the appeals process. However, he has not yet determined if he will, in fact, appeal the sentence. At the Westmoreland County Courthouse, Ashley Hardway, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.